Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs and bacon. First, let's get that bacon perfectly crispy. Lay your bacon strips in a cold pan, then turn the heat to medium. This helps the fat render slowly and evenly. Cook for about 8 to 12 minutes, flipping occasionally, until it reaches your desired crispiness. Once done, remove the bacon and drain most of the grease, leaving just about 1 tablespoon in the pan for our eggs. Now, let's prepare our eggs. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a small bowl and season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. This allows for easy pouring and consistent seasoning. Ensure your pan, with that delicious bacon grease, is heated to medium-low. This lower temperature is key for achieving perfectly cooked eggs without overcooking the whites or yolks. Carefully pour your seasoned eggs into the warm pan. For sunny side up, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. If you prefer over easy, gently flip after 2 minutes and cook for another 30 seconds. For over hard, cook for about 1 minute per side. The residual heat will continue to cook them slightly. Finally, it's time to plate your delicious breakfast. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked eggs and crispy bacon onto a warm plate. If you like, add a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of paprika for extra flavor and color. This classic combination is a fantastic way to start your day. Enjoy your homemade eggs and bacon while they're warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.